A very good morning, everyone. I, Dr. Sonali Tyagi, Assistant Dean Academics, welcomes you all at CPJ College. Today, we are here on the occasion of Orientation 2026. We are delighted with the presence of Sir Shri Rishabh Tanwar ji. Sir is basically the Secretary of DLSA North Wing. Sir, a very warm welcome to you. Sir, I would like to know, students are entering in their law school from today itself. So what is the topmost quality that they should develop from the day one itself of their 5-year program?
Right. So first of all, thank you so much for the institution for giving me this opportunity to address the young law students who have just entered the field of law. It's very difficult to define one quality because one quality, they should have multiple qualities. But if I speak about one quality, that should be dedication. Whatever they do in life or in law, they should do with dedication. So if you talk about just one quality to begin with, I will say dedication. Dedication towards studies, dedication towards law, and ultimately dedication towards the cause of justice.
Definitely. So, sir, law is not only about reading judgment, though judgment is an important part, but how important practical exposure plays a role in today's students' life?
No, it does play a very important role. Law though resides in the law books and the barracks that we read, but it plays out in the society. So without having the know-how of the ground realities of society, we cannot expect ourselves to become the good advocates, good judges and good accommodations. So practical knowledge is very important. To know the ground realities is a prerequisite to become a good advocate. So I will advise students to not just spend time in the libraries, but also find time to go in the society, meet the people from the marginalized section of the society, and try and understand their issues that they face on a daily basis.
Definitely. So, as you have experienced the importance of access to justice, as you are closely associated with DLSA, so what role young students can play in serving justice to the society?
Since I am Secretary DLSA right now, so students can enroll with us in the form of paralegal volunteers, PLVs, who are a ground force. So there are two kinds of PLVs that we employ. One is community PLVs that we pick from the society itself, and one is a student PLV. PLVs play a very important role in spreading the awareness of the beneficial schemes of the state, of the rights and duties also of the citizens, and especially of the marginalized sections of society. So if we talk about women, children, people belonging to the SC/ST community, survivors of crime, transgenders, senior citizens, these are all vulnerable sections of society. So students can become PLVs and help these marginalized sections of society in achieving their rights.
Right. So what would be the one piece of advice you want to give our batch 2026 as they are stepping their legal journey from today itself?
So one advice would be that since law is just not a degree, law is a way of life. So I would advise that they should first read the letter of law carefully, understand its implication, understand how it plays out in the society, understand their own roles, because advocates are the sentinels of the Constitution. If there is a violation of any right, be it constitutional or fundamental or any other legal right, it is the advocate who have time again stood up against those excesses, be it by the state, be it by any authority. So I will advise that these students will go on to become advocates, academicians, judges, civil servants in the future. So the responsibilities on their shoulder are huge. So they should really pull up their socks and study the law well, go into society, have a awareness of the ground realities of society, and just enjoy the process of law.
Definitely, sir. Thank you so much for your valuable time. You have given such valuable insights, so our student will definitely carry this.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. My privilege.